Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today our group will present digital marketing campaign plan for Health for You solution Sendirian Berhad. Our campaign is called Sehat Digital bersama Health for You. This presentation is prepared by Cyberjaya Group. Next, we go to the company review. Who is Health for You? Health for You solution operates in the digital health and wellness industry, also known as health tech. The core mission of Health for You is to make healthcare more accessible through technology. Next is digital business component. In terms of business component, Health for You use a virtual inventory model, which means these are zero warehousing costs. Procurement is supported by AI-driven demand lead forecasting, allowing better planning and efficiency. Next, Health for You digital infrastructure is powered by AWS cloud hosting with end-to-end encryption. This ensures data security and compliance with PDPA regulation. However, there is a current gap, which is the lack of personalized CRM and automation.
Hi, my name is Ada. I will explain about SWOT analysis. Based on our SWOT analysis, Health for You strength include an all-in one app and high data security. Its weaknesses are limited brand awareness and the absence of an AI chatbot. Opportunities include corporate wellness program and wearable integration. Meanwhile, threats come from larger super apps and increasing advertising costs. Next is marketing objective. Our marketing objective are based on SMART goals over 6 months. First, to increase active user by 25%, targeting 2,500 new users. Second, to increase repeat bookings by 15% through CRM automation. And the third is to generate RM 50,000 in revenue from wellness starter packs. Next is target audience. Our campaign focus on four main target audience. First, use picture icons to represent each persona. The second is the busy corporate. Values speed and efficiency, no time to wait. The third is the health guardian. Parents, caretaker, values, trust and safety. And the last is fitness enthusiasts from Gen Z and millennial who follow trend and aesthetic.
Next, I want to talk about Slide 7, the campaign strategy. Our campaign is called Sehat Digital Bersama Help for You. The concept focuses on democratizing healthcare through convenience. Our main hope is why wait in traffic when the doctor is in your pockets. The content pillar include education, lifestyle, and trust building talk testimonial. Next is channel engagement. To reach our audience, we use different channels for different purposes. For awareness, we use TikTok and Instagram Reels. For intern, we use Google Search Ads. The lastly is for retention, we implement automate email flows and gamification such as health streak points. Next, for the slide number 9, creative educations. Our create education focuses on visual engaging content. The visuals are designed to trigger emotions and encourage actions. These include Instagram posts, email designs, and digital graphic aligned with the campaign themes.
The timeline and the roadmap. The campaign runs for 6 months and is divided into 4 phases. Phase 1 focuses on testing and setup. Phase 2 is the aggressive launch. Phase 3 emphasizes vision and contents. And Phase 4 focuses on review and sustainability. Next, the financial plan. The total campaign budget is 25,000 ringgit. Most of the budget is allocated to it, followed by content creation and tools. We project a 300% ROI with a revenue target of 75,000 ringgit.
In conclusion, by integrating data, content, and technology, Health4U can evolve for a service provider into a trusted health partner. This campaign aims to suggest them brand awareness, engagement, and long-term growth. That's all from our group. Thank you for your listening.